Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I got something a little different. It is related to emergency situations. Emergency power, sent to me by IRONSNOW. He has sent me a lot of emergency radios to review, and this is a power pack to use in emergency or just field work or whatever. Has a lot of options. Has 8 outputs. It's got two 110 volt AC sine wave outputs. Now, sine wave is noted here because some of the earlier power packs and inverters put out a square wave, and some electrical equipment didn't like square wave. They want sine wave, which is what they get out of the wall. This one has sine wave output. 300 watts. Two DC outputs, like 12 volts for instance, two USB ports, 5 volts at 4.8 amps, one quick charge, and one USB Type C. Now, what it comes with is this power pack here so that you can plug it in to your AC and charge the unit. The capacity of this thing is 80,000 milliamp hours, a lithium battery, 80,000. Also in this box, I'll open it up right now, some more accessories. There is a car adapter, again, for charging this, so you can charge it off your car. This is a cigarette lighter adapter, so you can use this as a source of power for anything that uses a cigarette lighter, lights or whatever. That's it. Has an optional, doesn't come with it, solar panel option. You can charge this with the solar panel. So you can charge it with the AC adapter, the cigarette lighter, and solar panel. Okay, let's go around it here. So here's two AC outputs, one 3-plug, one 2-plug. And there's the various USB ports and DC ports, plethora of things you could charge. On the back, this is a lamp. See if I can turn it on, push and hold. Very, very bright lamp. Turn it off. There we go. Nothing on the top. Over here is where you plug in power to charge it. This is a fan. When you're using it for a long time, it will warm up. This helps keep it cooled down. Numerous protection circuits, overload protection, current overload protection, voltage overload, fan for keeping it cool. So that's about it. It was, when it first came out a couple of weeks ago, and IRONSNOW sent me this, it was $2.99. Right now, I checked this morning, right now, it's on sale for half price for $149.99 if you're a Prime member. Half price. 80,000 milliamp hours. So what I'm going to be doing is, and I'll show you some functions real quick. You push and hold this. It gives you the status, the battery, built-in battery. I charged it yesterday, fully charged, and it turns on the AC output. Over here is another button. This turns on the DC outputs over here, down here. So you can charge your cell phone, you can charge your tablet, anything that uses USB port, and you can use any appliance or charger that needs 110 AC. So what I'm going to be doing, unfortunately it's upside down, is here is my AC power meter. And what I'm going to do, I have to plug it in. Let's see. I had to plug it in upside down because of the orientation of this plug. And then, and it probably doesn't show up on the camera too well. We go to energy. So it says right now it's putting out upside down 109.5 volts AC. And then this will also record the consumption of whatever device. So what I'm thinking about doing is using one of my AC to DC power supplies as a load and let this run, let this record the history and see how long a fully charged battery will run that power supply. And it will tell me also how much current it's drawing. So I thought that's about the only thing I could think of right offhand. It doesn't take up a lot of room, that is regulated, and will give me probably a pretty decent load. Now, I'm not going to put a load on that power supply, which would draw more current. I'm trying to make this setup as simple as possible. Another thing I thought about is just using a light like you would use if you went camping, just a regular AC light. But that maximum I could get on that is 100 watts draw. And I might do that. I've got a lamp back there in the background right here that's got one of those high power bulbs in it. I might try that and see what kind of current that draws, because that again would be something I could put on my table here and do the test. So that's the plan. I want to thank. Ooh, it weighs. I didn't see anything in the spec. I think it weighs. Well, I can lift it one hand, so it's probably 5 to 10 pounds. So it's got a nice handle. I think that's about it. Let's see. Let's give you some measurements. About 10 inches by to the top of the handle, 9 inches by 5 inches. So that's kind of the size. There's my hand there. Give you an idea of the size. Pretty cool. We're really interested on its capacity. That's what we're going to find out. Again, it's made by Geartist and sold by IRONSNOW plus other companies. So that's the plan. Use this little guy here. I wish it wasn't. What I may do is I may get a short extension or something, plug in here so I can have this sitting right side up so I can come in periodically and check it without having to stand on my head. That's it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up and have a great day. Bye-bye.